You're eating. You're eating the noodles.
No.
Yes.
No.
Yes.
No.
You're eating the noodles, dude. You want to bet?
No.
Yeah, you want to bet?
No.
Yeah, you want to bet? You're gonna eat them.
No, I'm not.
Yeah.
I hate betting. Stupid betting. No! Stop talking to me. I'm mad. I'm not talking. No. What? I'm not eating. No, I'm not. Fine.
You know why?
No.
If you don't stop yelling at me, I'm gonna spank your butt.
Huh?
If you don't stop yelling at me, I'm gonna spank your hiney. Come eat your thing.
Okay.
Are you done being a brat? Are you gonna eat the stuff? You're gonna eat the noodles?
I want unburnt.
It's not burnt. It's just got a little bit on there. It's not gonna hurt you.
Take it off.
Oh, don't be a crybaby.
You're taking it off?
Yeah, don't be a crybaby.
I hate those. You?
You think what?
The things, right?
There. I took it off. I took all the burnt stuff off. You want me to take that stuff off too?
No.
Just eat it. It's fine now.
I'm not eating. That's why.